Jinan VMADE CNC Machine Company Limited, established in 2014, is a professional supplier engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of fiber laser equipment. The company is located in beautiful city Jinan with convenient transportation access. We have great knowledge and rich experiences in laser-related fields, and our machines mainly include fiber laser cutting and marking machine, laser cleaning, and CNC router machine. For different customers in different regions and countries, we also provide tailored service to make your own personal machine with your needs. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customers' needs to be met. We are holding the banner of Technology Matters and Quality First, and serious every single detail to ensure the performance and quality of each machine. In addition, we have been upgrading the looking and function of our products with CE, TUV certificates. Our products are exported to clients in such countries and regions as the United States, Canada, Russia, and Germany. At the same time, we also welcome OEM and ODM orders, whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application. You can talk to our customer service center about your detailed requirements. Thanks for your attention, and we will always be there for your needs.
VMADE CNC, faster shipment, reliable quality. Welcome to VMADE.